Most Christians know they need to renew their mind, but almost no one actually knows how to do it. You read the Bible, you pray, but the same thoughts keep coming back. Why? Because knowing truth isn't the same as applying truth. As we know, the Bible does say to know the truth. But in order to do that, it also says to be transformed by the renewing of your mind. That means that this is a process. Here's what it actually looks like. R, you recognize the thought. This doesn't line up with truth. And then E, expose it. Bring it before God. And then N, name the lie. This is not from God. And then E, exchange it. Replace it with scripture. And then finally, W, walk it out even when you don't feel it yet. Transformation doesn't happen in a moment, it happens through repeated truth. That's why so many people feel stuck. They know the truth, but they don't have a system to apply it daily. And that is exactly why I created what I did. Because I realized that most people don't need more information, they need a simple way to walk it out. So I put together a free tool to help you take thoughts captive that uses the same renew framework we just talked about, but practically helps you apply it in more depth, and a full step by step course if you want to go deeper. Or if you prefer reading, I've written a few books to help you in your walk. I'll leave them all in the description. But please know you are not stuck. You just need a process. God bless you. I hope to see you in the next video, and let us set our minds on things above